Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to track your 2025 reading challenge in Notion. Notion is a fantastic app that helps us stay organized, and our reading challenge will be no exception. First things first, you'll need to open up Notion and create a new page. Now, you might be asking why. Well, having a separate page for your reading challenge helps keep all of your information in one place and makes tracking your progress a breeze. So now that we've created our new page, we're going to add a table. This will act as your main tracking tool. The reason we do this is because tables in Notion are incredibly flexible and customizable. You can add columns for the book title, author, start and finish dates, or even a column for a brief review. With our table setup, we're going to add our books. Just click on the New button on the right-hand side of your table and start typing. This helps us because it's a quick and easy way to log your books and keep track of what you've read. Now, let me explain why this matters. Tracking your reading progress can help you stay motivated, reminisce on past reads, and plan future reading. Next up, we need to set our reading goals. At the top of your Notion page, you can create a progress bar or goal tracker. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is calculating the number of books you've read against your yearly goal. It's a visual representation of your progress and a great motivator to keep reading. The last step is to make sure you update your reading challenge regularly. This is important because it ensures your progress bar and book table are always up to date. To wrap up, tracking your reading challenge in Notion is a simple yet effective way to keep your reading goals in check. With a dedicated page, a customizable table, and a clear goal tracker, you'll be well on your way to hitting your 2025 reading targets. Remember, the key is to keep it updated. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reading.